I started here my freshman year, and I loved my classes. We weren't sure what was going on for about a month, so I was in and out of the hospital. They were trying to figure out what was happening. I walk in and there's like 10 doctors waiting for you, and they're like, we need to tell you something. And I was like, okay. They're like, you have cystic fibrosis. The rest is history. So when I came back to go to High Point, I could barely walk in and out of my room without like being tired. Also, my diet had to completely change, but they were really great about that. It is amazing the people you meet here and how much they can impact you. Gail Tuttles, she contacted all my teachers, making sure they knew I wasn't going to be there the first week of classes, to making sure I was connected with disability services if I needed a ride to class, or if I needed an excuse from a test because I was sick, or just from class in general, to getting groceries. I could pick out anything. If it was from Whole Foods or Harris Teeter or anything, they would get it for me. Like, if I was going to any other school, I don't think I would have come back to school, if that makes sense. My whole sorority, my friend group, everything, I could not have survived without them. I'm graduating on time, and I'm even ahead in credits. Like, that's unheard of at this school. People genuinely care about you, and I know that firsthand from exactly what I've been through.